everyone, I am Priya from Triple LL, and I will tell you something regarding about the how to build your interest while reading novel, because I had never interested to read novel ever. But that was the day when Lisa told us about to buy a new novel, because it will help you to increase your confidence, and it will help you to improve your English skills, and you will find some new vocabularies are there. And it was true. So that day when I started to read the first chapter of this novel, that is You Became What You Think, and this is the novel, guys, and it is written by the Shubham Kumar Singh, and he tells only about the mindset that you have, and that mindset will reach at the top of this world by adopting changes and be aware of the things what you can do and what you can't do. So there are 14 insights are there, but 5 insights are favorite of mine. First one is like just a series of prison moments that you have, and if you think about your past and future, you miss more the present that we have. Second one is one that hurts most, but if you are dwell on it, you will worsen your pain, because we human worry about future and blame us about the present and regret the past. Third one is you don't be religious to be spiritual. Dalai Lama says it doesn't matter you are a part of religion or not. It's the important thing, the art of being kind and compassionate person. Fourth one, life only constant is change. One moment can change day, one day can change life, and one life can change the world. And last one, which is my favorite one, that is don't fake it until you make it. Dalai Lama say if you are identify your weakness and work on it, you will achieve anything that you think. And when you are saying that yes I will do, but actually you are not able to do, then it will anyhow affect your personality as well. So the thing is, please identify your weakness and work on it. It will help you more. And my point of view of this novel, that is all insights I have read, it is my favorite. It was my favorite, but one lesson I taught that life it's uncertain. Life is uncertain. We don't know what we'll do in the second moment. And the thing is, be confident and work on the that you have, and be aware of the things what you do. And I will suggest you to read this novel, because it will help me a lot to gain something, and it was relatable to my life, and I will perform a better life, and I will do my best. And this novel, literally guys, it is very 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 meaningful to our life, because this is what is this one, because you became what you think, and that is the story, and you can say, and I will suggest you to read this novel, because it will help you the more in the life while achieving your goals. So thank you so much, guys.